In addition to using the eFollets online bookshelf, you can also access the NC Digital Library using your school ID. One of the ways you can access that is by going to the homepage and clicking on the North Carolina Digital Library link. You can also access this using the Libby app that you can download to your tablet or phone. That's Libby. Now, in order to sign in, you will need to choose a library and use your student ID. So if you click the sign in button here, you're actually going to choose the Greensboro Public Library. And then for your card number, you're going to type in the letters capital G, capital C, capital S, and then you're going to follow that up with your student ID. Click sign in. And then, there you go, you're logged in. Now you can search books here in the library. Okay, so you can search for books here in the kids section. Okay, and they have many books for teens here, even though it says the kids section. Right, you can check out things that are here in the new section. Those are always great books. But also you can get audiobooks. You can look down here. They do have movies here, but keep in mind that movies don't count for your reading log. The trending now section. You can also then go up top and you can switch collections. If you click on collections, you can also look in the teens collection. Okay, this will give you additional choices of books to read. One of the neat things about using the North Carolina Digital Library is that you have different options as far as checking out. Okay, so if I'm going to check out this particular title, okay, if I'm going to borrow, I click on borrow here, and then I can borrow it for 14 days, I can borrow it for 7 days, or I can borrow it for 21 days. If you're going to borrow the book, you'll click on borrow. You can either read here in the browser, or you can read now with Kindle. And that doesn't mean you have to own a Kindle. It just means that you're going to use the Kindle app, which is free to download to your phone or tablet or iPad. And you can then go into, you can also read it on the Kindle Cloud, which you can read on your laptop. So you can use that as an option here. What's also really nice is that then once the loan is over, it also just goes back into the digital overdrive here, and you don't have to worry about returning it to the library, which is really difficult right now, since in terms of the physical books, they aren't using the mobile return devices. So if you're wanting to, check out books from here, again, you can use these little pictures. It's nice because, again, you get the option of seeing the cover, but you can still use the search bar here to search for authors. You can search for titles. You can search for genres. You can search for subjects, all within the North Carolina Digital Library. And again, remember that you're going to search using your Greensboro Public Library, and then to use your card is the capital letters G, C, S, and your student ID number. And happy reading. It's quite fun.